Hi, I'm Kirsten Delgado with SHOT Show TV here at the CF Manufacturing booth inside the Supplier Showcase. It is the place for all things suppliers here at SHOT Show. And here we have Joey Z, the owner of this beautiful company, CF Manufacturing. Talk to me about what you guys make.
So we're here exhibiting all of our product line from uppers to lowers to handguards this year. We're a big OEM manufacturer, so we do both the billet and forged upper receiver sets along with the matching billet and forged lower receiver sets. We do the 80%. We also do the 100%ers for your variants. We do different handguards for you. And the latest thing for us this year is our new Suppressor lineup. So we're doing both 3D printed titanium and stainless steel stacked and welded machine suppressors.
And you're in Daytona Beach, Florida. Talk to me about what is so unique about your product and the way you make it in Florida.
Everything we do is in-house. So a lot of companies outsource. We do everything direct with the mills, from material to machining. We get it off to coating, and we do a quick turnaround time.
Obviously, such a big topic here at the showcase is suppliers. Really in demand this year. Talk to me specifically about what makes your product so unique.
Our uniqueness is we design off of your dreams. So you tell us what you want, and that's what we deliver. We have an OEM lineup that we can offer you. If you want to go something standard, if you want to do more custom, we're available for that as well.
Okay. What trends are you seeing right now that you're really staying on top of here? Are you hearing from suppliers, other suppliers or other attendees saying, hey, do you have this, do you have that? What are you kind of hearing right now at the showcase?
There's been a lot of guys that fall out of the industry, it seems, as of late. So I'm seeing a lot more pickup on variance work. And obviously with suppressors being the new hottest thing on the market with the tax stamp, there's a huge demand.
Okay. And what are you hoping for CF Manufacturing in 2026?
Just keep filling out these machines and get as many parts out as we can for all our customers.
All right, sounds like you guys are well on the way to do that. Thank you for being with us, Joey Z.
Thank you.